Hello children, now we will start fraction in class 7th mathematics. Fraction means if we divide an object into some equal parts and from these equal parts we take some parts, then the ratio of these two numbers is known as a fraction. For example, if we divide an apple into 7 equal parts, and from these 7 parts, 2 parts are given to a child, then the ratio will be 2 upon 7 or 7 upon 2 is called a fraction. In this fraction, the number above the line is called numerator and the number below the line is called denominator. Now we can say that a fraction is a number which is in the form of numerator and denominator. Mainly, the fractions are of two types. Number one, proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction, as like 2 upon 7. And improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called improper fraction, as like 7 upon 2. Another type of fraction is called mixed fraction, which is obtained from improper fraction. For example, 7 upon 2, this is an improper fraction. If we divide 7 by 2, then 2 3s are 6 and 1 is the remainder, then it will be written in the form of 3 whole 1 upon 2, which is called a mixed fraction. Standard form of a fraction written in lowest term is known as standard form of fraction. For example, in 33 upon 77, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 11. Then we get 33 divided by 11 and 77 divided by 11. It will come 3 upon 7. This is the lowest form and this is the standard form of the fraction. Now, write the following fractions in lowest form: 22 upon 55, 64 upon 20, 27 upon 15, 105 and 98. Now, addition of fraction. Add 3 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. In these fractions, the denominators are same. Then the sum of these will be the sum of their numerators. 3 upon 7 plus 6 upon 7, the numerator will be 7, the denominator will be 7, which is called the LCM, and the numerator will be 3 plus 6, equal be 9 upon 7. This is an improper fraction. This must be written in the form of proper fraction, or mixed fraction. 9 divided by 7 one time, the remainder will be 2, then the answer will be 1 whole 2 upon 7. Now next example, 2 upon 3 and 3, add 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. The denominators are not same. We will take the LCM of the denominators by factorization method. 3 and 4, at first we will divide it by 2. 2, 3 will come itself, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 3 1s are 3. Then the LCM of the 3 and 4 will be 2 into 2 into 3. It will come 12. Then 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4, the LCM will be 12. We will divide 12 by 3. It will be divided 4 times. Then 2 into 4 plus 3 into 3. It will come 8 plus 9 upon 12. It will be 17 upon 12. And 17 upon 12, 17 is divided by 12. 12 1s are 12. Remainder will be 5. Then it will be 1 whole 5 upon 12. Now similarly, the subtraction 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. The denominators are same. Then their LCM will be 4. 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. LCM will be 4. 5 minus 3 equal to 2 upon 4. 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. It will come 1 upon 2. Similarly, 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12 as above. The LCM will be 12. We will divide 12 by 4. 4 3s are 3 3s are 3 into 3 and 3 4 times 3 into 4. It will 2 into 4. It will come 9 minus 8 upon 12. It will come 1 upon 12. Now multiplication. In multiplication of fraction, the numerators are multiplied together and the denominators are all multiplied together, and then the fraction is written in the lowest form. For example, multiply 3 upon 4 and 8 upon 9. It will be 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 3 upon 4 into 8 upon 9 is equal to 3 into 8. Numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator by denominator. It will come 3 into 8 upon 4 into 9. 3 into, now the 8 will be divided by 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, and 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. Then it will come 1 into 2 upon 1 into 3. It is equal to 2 upon 3. Now for homework, add 2 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7, 21 upon 3 plus 18 upon 3, 4 upon 9 plus 7 upon 4, 7 upon 64 plus 3 upon 16, 5 upon 12 plus 9 upon 30, 20. Subtract 6 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7, 5 upon 24 minus 7 upon 36, 5 upon 9 from 7 upon 9, 2 upon 9 from 7 upon 6. Multiply 11 upon 7 by 3 upon 8. Number 2, 7 upon 4 by 2 upon 3. 14 upon 9 by 3 upon 7. Last 2 upon 3 multiply by 9 upon 16.